Smart sampling and SWIFT modes are two different fast imaging modes that we have available on our Raman microscopes. The SWIFT mode is available on all our Raman microscopes, the Explorer Plus, the Labram Soleil and the Labram HR Evolution. In this mode, what we do is that we do on-the-fly measurement, meaning that over a single line of measurement over the map, we record all spectra corresponding to the different points. We store them in the CCD, and the CCD will send all the data to the computer only at the end of the line, when the sample will come back to its initial position on the other side of the line. It allows also to reduce the stopping time between the different points, because as we do on-the-fly measurement, we don't stop the stage. This is very useful when you have short acquisition time and you don't want to have an impact of the dead time on your measurement. On the other side, we have also the smart sampling. Smart sampling is the new patented way of fast imaging that is unique on the Labram Soleil. With smart sampling, what we do is that based on the contrast of the video image, we will cut the image and the map area in different parts of a jigsaw, and we will go based on the contrast on these different parts in order to do the measurement. This helps us to have very quickly a first image of the full area that is mapped based on the contrast in order to have the discrimination between the points. And then we will just add more and more points in order to improve the resolution and to have more and more information. Based on our experience about smart sampling, we have seen that we can have factors up to 1000 faster than a classical point-by-point map in terms of time that is saved. So with smart sampling, we can go even faster than with SWIFT, because in that case we are not limited by the acquisition time of a single point, but really we just reduce the number of points of measurement based on the contrast of the video image in order to have very quickly an image, and then we just improve it over the time and adding more and more points, once again based on the contrast, in order to have the full characterization of the area.